This is our newest Cryolipolysis Coolplas for fat freezing, weight loss, and body contouring. You can see there are 4 handles. This one is for double chin, the smaller one, the small curved one for legs, arms, and low handles. Also, this one you can use the flat one. You can use for arms and legs. Also, the low handles or the small area in abdomen or back or sides. And this one is a bigger one for belly. You can see you can adjust the parameters in the handlepiece directly, or you can adjust the parameters here. Enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is a language. 9 different languages you can choose for your local language for operation. Setting button for distance engineering, repair, and maintenance. And for the this one is for the double chin handle. For example, I can increase the vacuum suction level and adjust the temperature, cooling temperature for minus 11 degree. Okay, start the vacuum, start the cooling temperature. Then you can see the 2 lights on and it start working. In case you touch the working temperature on the handlepiece or on the interface when during the treatment, there's a safety locking. Okay, so when you touch here, it won't work, affect the treatment parameters during the treatment. Okay, now adjust the parameters for the second one. You can see when I adjust the parameters on the working interface, the one in the handlepiece still work at the same time. Okay, now this one vacuum 4 and temperature for minus 8. Okay, start working. Okay, now you can see now it's 2 handles working together now for double chin and the belly handle. Well, they are in different vacuum and different cooling temperature. Okay, second one. Now we adjust here. You can see the vacuum for 3 and temperature for minus 6 degree. Start working vacuum and then start working the cooling temperature, freezing. Okay, start working. You can see now even I touch the handlepiece, the temperature or the vacuum parameters won't be affected. So this is a safety locking for treatment operation. Okay, now we adjust the parameters for the first one. We can use for different vacuum and for different degree. For example, okay, start working. You can see for different handles can work at the same time while using different parameters, the cooling temperature and vacuum suction. Oh, okay. You can see the vacuum. There will be no leak. You can see the vacuum. When there is no leak, you can see the vacuum is very powerful, and the cooling temperature, you can see the fog. You can see the cool. Okay, now then let's back into the working system interface. You can see this is the on-time cooling temperature in the handlepiece. So our cryolipolysis machine has on-time cooling temperature control. So you can see the exact precise cooling temperature when doing the treatment. And for the handlepiece, there are 14 temperature sensor, and for the big handles, and 4 temperature sensor for the small handles. You can get the very precise cooling temperature on the interface. So to make sure the customer's safety treatment. Okay, this is the treatment time. We set for totally 40 minutes, and now it's how much time is left. When you want to stop the treatment, just need to click the safety lock and stop the cooling, and then stop the vacuum. Now you can see the 2 lights off. Then the first handle is not working now. Same, second one. You can also stop the treatment on the handlepiece here. This is stop the first cooling temperature and then the vacuum suction. Same here. Our newest cryolipolysis machine, you can see from 360 degree cooling control, the whole area for the cooling. So it's much more effective than the older one, and very safe for the cooling treatment. For big fans for the machine cooling system to make sure the machine safety when doing the treatment.